Greetings everyone, I am Kazayah and welcome to my YouTube channel. So on here I plan to share with you all my step-by-step musical journey. So you can find things like vlog posts, my latest music videos, live performances, anything pertaining to music I will make sure to put on here and share with you all. So please make sure to subscribe and click the little bell to turn on your post notifications. So yes, just to tell you a little bit about myself, I'm a singer-songwriter and I am just one who is very avid about putting positive messages in the music. So forward movements, ever, backwards, never, you know? Yeah. So check out my music on all digital media platforms, iTunes, Spotify, Tidal, Audiomack, all digital media platforms. So yes, I am Kazayah and welcome to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned.